Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Bradley. My name is Crystal, where we tackle life's chaos one step at a time. Today we're diving into the whirlpool of disorganization and exploring 3 reasons why you might find yourself drowning in clutter. But don't worry because we've got some clever solutions up our sleeves, so let's jump right in, shall we? Reason number 1, a lack of system. Picture this. You're a superhero trying to save the world without a trusty sidekick or fancy gadget. Chaos ensues, right? Well, it's the same with your organizational game. Without proper system in place, you're basically a superhero without a cape. So, step 1 to fix this mess is to establish a set of routines and structures that work for you. Whether it's a daily to-do list, a dedicated filing system, or color-coded calendar, find what resonates with your inner organizational ninja. I know you're saying, well, that wasn't helpful. I'd say go to my website. I can help you start organizing your life for free today. Okay? Step number 2. So let's dive into the reason why you may not be able to get away from your disorganization, right? It's called emotional attachment. We've all been there, holding on to sentimental trinkets, or that dress, or that suit we swear we're going to fit into again someday, even though it's been years since we've touched it. But guess what? This emotional baggage weighs us down, both mentally and physically. So take a deep breath and channel your ability to get rid of waste. Start decluttering by asking yourself, does it spark joy? If not, it's time to bid farewell and create space for something that truly matters. I'm not saying not to keep what's really important to you, but you don't need 15 items of the same memory, right? Moving on next, procrastination. The sneaky culprit behind our disheveled lives. Reason 3 might hit a little too close to home for many of us. Let's be real here. We've all uttered those famous last words. I'll do it later. But later turns into tomorrow turns into next week, and suddenly you're buried beneath a mountain of unfinished tasks. So how do we fix this, you ask? Well, it's all about breaking tasks down into smaller but manageable chunks. Take that big project you've been putting off and tackle it one bite-sized portion at a time. Before you know it, you'll have conquered Mount Procrastination. All right. Now that we've identified the culprits, let's reveal the solutions. So solution number 1, make organization fun. Turn on your favorite tunes, invite a friend over for an organization party, or challenge yourself to beat the clock. Remember, being organized doesn't have to be a dull affair. Embrace your inner creativity and inject some joy into the process. Solution number 2, accountability partners. Find someone who shares your desire to get organized and team up. Set goals together, check in regularly, and keep each other motivated. Having someone by your side will make the journey more enjoyable and help you stay on track. And finally, solution number 3, embrace imperfection. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your organizational empire won't be either. Don't beat yourself up if you stumble or have a messy day. Life happens, and that's okay. It's important to keep going and to celebrate your progress along the way, okay? For those of you that just don't want any part of organization, delegating the task is where you would benefit, right? Make sure that you're creating a space and a place where everything has its place. So the cups have a cupboard, that specific spot in the cupboard drawer. Plates have a specific spot. Spoons, knives, and forks have a specific spot, right? Same with books, same with socks. Everything must have a designated place, okay? You can do it. You are not on your own here. Okay, my fellow chaos conquerors, we've reached the end of today's adventure. Remember, organization is a journey, not a destination. So take a deep breath, grab that cape, and let's dive headfirst into more organized and fulfilling life. Until next time, guys, stay tidy and keep spreading the sprinkle of organization. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave us a comment and share your organizational tips too. Together we can conquer the chaos and live our best organized lives. See you soon.